Knives are generally the most important tool you can wield in the kitchen, but to take it one step further, a chef's knife is king among them. There is little slicing, chopping, cutting, and carving you can do without it, so finding one you feel comfortable holding and using for all your meals is vital to your efficiency and success as a cook. This is quite a subjective task, though. Beyond considering the price, of course, chef's knives are made of different materials, are different sizes, have different feeling handles, and are different weights, and in none of those categories is there an absolute correct way to go. It's worth saying that more expensive doesn't necessarily mean better. So, here's what we know about the best chef knife set 2023. If you need any product in this video, the links of the products are given below in description. Number 3. Bruin CHEFILOSOPHI Chef Knife. Bruin's Chefilosophy 5-piece chef knife set is a top-shelf cooking knife set that has been painstakingly crafted with expert chefs in mind. Featuring ultra-tough 1.4116 German stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness score of 56+, these knives are razor-sharp and highly durable. The ergonomic design of the packawood handles ensures perfect balance and a luxurious feel. This set includes two 8-inch knives, a Santoku Japanese knife, a 5-inch utility knife, and a smaller paring knife for peeling and prep. Number 2. Mosfiata 8 inches CKO 401. The Mosfiata 8 inches professional chef's knife is a high-quality kitchen tool made from German EN 1.4116 stainless steel with a laser-engraved pattern and a 15% chrome anti-tarnish finish. The ergonomic handle is made of santoprene and polypropylene for comfort and durability, and the full tank construction provides extra strength and stability. Customers love the sharpness and ease of use, and appreciate the included stainless steel finger guard, knife sharpener, and blade guard. Number 1. Asety Damascus Knife Set. The Asety Japanese Knife Set 3 PCs is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality kitchen knife set. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, and 5.5-inch utility knife, all of which are made with a VG10 Damascus steel core and a G10 military-grade handle. The knives are NSF certified and feature a full tank construction and a sharp edge of 15 degrees per side. They are comfortable to use and remain sharp even after long-term use. The set also comes with a lifetime guarantee, making it an ideal gift for any special occasion.